This segment is sponsored by Austin Telco. Well, I think we've all been looking at the ups and downs of the economy over the last couple of months. So if you're looking to invest, maybe the stability of share certificates is something that you want to consider. Today we're with Pamela Cotton. She's the VP of Member Services with Austin Telco, and she's here to tell us a little bit more. Pam, good morning.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Of course, good to see you. Let's talk about a share certificate, because I asked you off camera. I have no idea what that is.
A share certificate is a type of investment where you agree to put your money away for a certain period of time, and the longer that period is, the higher your rate would be.
And let's talk about the difference there between that and something like a CD, which I think people know a lot about.
So share certificates are offered by credit unions like Austin Telco Federal Credit Union, and it's different in that a bank would offer you a CD or a certificate of deposit, and it's basically just the name that makes it different, but it's the same vehicle.
Let's talk about why now is a good time to invest in them, because you'd have to be living under a rock to not hear that there's a fair amount of volatility happening right now.
That's exactly what I was about to say. Because the market is so volatile right now, but with a share certificate, you're guaranteed a rate for that period of time. So regardless of what's going on in the market, you have this guaranteed rate for that set period of time, and your money is definitely safe.
So when you invest in a share certificate, at the end of that period of time, not only do you get your money back, right, but you get a percentage of interest.
That's right. You get your principal back, and you get the dividends that you've earned over that period of time as well. Yes.
Okay, and then the dividends are an interesting point of this whole kind of spiel, because a credit union offers share certificates, right, versus a bank that offers CDs.
Yes.
And let's talk about what credit unions do that is different than banks.
Well, if you go into a bank, you're a customer, and banks are set to make money for their shareholders. So you're going to pay fees typically, and that's for the shareholders. When you come into a credit union, you're a member. It's member owned. So the money that's earned, when we say we're not for profit, but for service, we're raising that money for our members, our owners. So anything that we do as far as profit comes back to you as a member in low loan rates and higher dividend rates on your share certificate. So we have excellent rates currently on share certificates as well.
And if you'll let me brag on you for a minute, you've been with Austin Telco for now 35 years, which is really fantastic.
Yes.
I think it says a lot about it being a great place to work. But you guys have a lot of locations in and around Austin, right, to serve people.
We do. We have 23 locations in the Austin metro area, and we love our members to come in, and we'd be happy to help anyone open an account and a share certificate as well.
A little bit of education coming from the credit union today. Pam, thank you so much for your time, and congratulations on 35 years.
Thank you.
If you're ready to invest in yourself with Austin Telco Federal Credit Union, you can go to atfcu.org to learn more. This segment is sponsored by Austin Telco.